Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video for you all about my pregnancy skincare routine and exactly how to prevent stretch marks during pregnancy. So being pregnant comes with its own skincare challenges. For me personally, I've been experiencing the most dry skin I have ever had on my face in my lifetime. And it doesn't help that it's the middle of winter, so there's no humidity, there's no warmth, and every time we turn our heat on, it makes my nose bleed, and my poor skin has just been through the ringer. And part of being pregnant, I am only interested in using all natural products. I don't want to use anything with a lot of parabens, phthalates, chemicals. I just want to keep things as natural as possible. So I've actually finally gotten down a skincare routine that's been working for me, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Besides the dryness of my skin, I've also been having really bad problems with broken blood vessels. I have them a couple on my forehead going down my nose, a couple on my cheeks, and all over my chest. And I guess it's due to the increased blood flow. And I don't think there's anything you can do to prevent it, but I'm trying to, stay hydrated and do what I can on that regard. So all of these products I'm about to show you, I've done extensive research on. I am a freak when it comes to skincare, and I really won't just put anything on my skin. I'm kind of a brat in that regard. But I've done extensive research on all these brands, and I've been using them for a few months now with really great results. So I wanted to give it a few months before I actually share this video to make sure that it's actually something that works. And so far, so good. So the first part of skincare is making sure you wash your face. And my favorite face wash that I found is this Eminence Organic Skincare brand, and it's the Lemon Cleanser. I'm hoping it's focusing, can't really see right now. But this lemon cleanser not only smells like the best thing in the whole world, the scent is beyond this world. It smells like a lemon tree mixed with honey. It's so good. So this is for normal to dry skin types, which is perfect because my skin is very dry right now, but eventually hopefully it'll go back to normal after I give birth. So this is described as a gentle face milk with lemon and herb oils to provide vitamins and moisture. It leaves skin naturally soft and clean, and it says it's really great for dehydrated skin types. And this is natural, organic, cruelty-free. It has no parabens, no phthalates, no animal testing, and it's been a lifesaver. I've tried other cleansers. I was using a Burt's Bees one. That one dried out my skin. I was trying an Avalon Organics one. That was drying out my skin. So far, this has been the one face wash that has not dried out my skin, so I highly recommend this one. So the next step I've been using in my skincare routine is this Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. I obviously don't have the full size yet. This is just the trial that was sent to me in my Sephora Play box. But so far I really like this. It's a collagen vitamin C serum. So I've been putting this all over my face after I wash it, and so far it's been helping, I feel prevent some of that redness I've been getting from the broken blood vessels. And it's supposed to prevent melasma, and vitamin C is just really good at exfoliating your skin gently. So I'm really liking this one too. I will probably buy the full size whenever this one runs out, but there's a lot of product in here, so we'll see how long that lasts me. So after the vitamin C serum, I apply a moisturizer, and I have finally jumped on the Drunk Elephant bandwagon. I've been hearing a lot about this product for a really long time. I know they sell it at Sephora, and for some reason I just hadn't tried it yet. I don't know, I was more into buying things at spas and things that just felt more natural and organic, but surprisingly this brand actually uses all natural ingredients. So I was on board. I decided to try this La La Retro Whipped Cream moisturizer, and it has 6 rare African oils and plantain extract, and my skin has made a huge transformation. My skin went from feeling really dry and flaky no matter how much moisturizer I put on, and after using this, it feels like it finally has some hydration back. So this product has been a lifesaver. If I could recommend, that my top 3 products that I'm gonna show you, this is definitely one of them. And I really love how this product comes out. So you just take off the top and you push down, and it gives you the perfect pump. One pump usually covers my whole face, down my neck, and a little bit over my chest. So it's not you don't waste any product, which I feel sometimes when you try to, you have the jars, you just waste a lot of product. So I cannot recommend this one enough. This is the Drunk Elephant La La Retro Whipped Cream. So that's my moisturizer. And then eye cream. I think I'm one of the only people in my family who uses an eye cream. My mom and sister don't. but eye cream has always been really important to me because I have really dehydrated under eyes. I've worked as a model for years, and every makeup artist always tells me how dry my under eyes are, and which is always nice to hear. But it's like, no, it's just direct genetic, hereditary. I guess my mom and sister just don't notice theirs, but I'm sure they have theirs too. But the one product that I really love that's safe for pregnancy, it's natural, is the Arcona Eye Dew. So this says it's Repair Protect. It's an eye cream, and it has like an anti-aging formula, and it's just like a really nice, like soothing gel. It's very lightweight. It's not gonna, you know, feel heavy or, you know, make your under eyes look greasy or anything like that. It's just really nice and light and moisturizing. And I've actually been using this before pregnancy and throughout. I researched the ingredients, and it's totally safe for pregnancy. So the Eye Dew by Arcona is the best. I also, a couple times a week, because my skin's been so dry, I need to exfoliate, you know, all the dry, dead skin, is the Arcona Cranberry Comage. And this is one of my favorite exfoliators. It has really, really, really tiny, fine microbeads. So when you scrub, I feel like it really gets in there. And the smell's amazing. It smells like cranberries. It's just nice, refreshing. Really like this one. And the last thing I religiously apply to my lips every night is the Eminence brand Citrus Lip Balm. So this is the same brand as the face wash I talked about. It's the natural organic. This little citrus lip balm is so cute. It has this little gold, like bronze lid that you just take off, and you just dip your finger in and put it on your lips. And it makes your lips so hydrated. And I love this. It's really easy to get dry, chapped lips in winter, and this product has saved me. And now that I'm done talking about my pregnancy skincare routine, I really want to move on to how to prevent stretch marks. I have been really adamant about preventing stretch marks this whole pregnancy, and now I'm a little over 7 months in, and so far, so good. I mean, knock on wood, but I really feel like I found kind of a great routine to prevent stretch marks, and I'd love to share it with you. So one really important thing to prevent stretch marks is to make sure your skin stays moisturized and hydrated. And I've actually been using this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion for years. This is my favorite body lotion. It's unscented. I don't like the scented ones. I don't want to walk around smelling like, you know, cupcakes all day. It's just not my thing. So I like that it's unscented. It's really hydrating. I always use this every single time I get out of the shower. That is one of the most important things you can do to prevent stretch marks is moisturize. It doesn't matter what you moisturize with, but every time you get out of the shower, protect your skin. Your skin needs hydration, so definitely moisturize. So the next product I want to talk about is something I am so excited about. I feel like I have tried every single tummy butter, shea butter, cocoa butter, all those things you rub all over your belly to prevent stretch marks. I've tried pretty much, I would say, all of them. And they all were either really greasy, really oily, they stained your clothes, they had weird smells, or like they were just really hard to get out of the jar. So it's just something you kind of dreaded having to put on. And I had been researching this skincare company called Mama Mio. They're considered the pregnancy skincare experts. And I finally got to try the Tummy Rub Butter, and I am obsessed. This Tummy Rub Butter, you get so much product. If you take off the lid, it is full to the top. I mean, I've used some of it, but it's full to the top. You get a lot of product. I would say this would last me a really long time. And I am very sensitive to scented products, which is why I use unscented body lotion all the time. And this has such a very, very faint, light florally scent that you barely even notice it. I would say it's like almost borderline unscented, which is so important to me. And I love that this line is all natural. They are pregnancy skincare experts, so it's safe, it's dermatologist tested, and I love the ingredients, and I really trust this brand because that's what they're known for. So I'm so excited. I finally tried this on, and I've been using it daily. After I take a shower, I put on my lotion, and then I use this Mama Mio Tummy Rub Butter all over my boobs, my stomach, all the way around my back, down my thighs. Like, I just make sure I cover basically any part that you can get a stretch mark on. I just want to make sure I am covered. And this feels like it does the same work as all those heavy, oily cocoa butter, shea butters, you know, all those other creams that I tried. But this is way more lightweight. It doesn't have that strong smell. It doesn't like stick to your clothes or stain anything. It's just the perfect lightweight, moisturizing belly butter rub. And I wish that I had tried this sooner. It's one of my favorites for sure. If I could recommend another product, top 3, this one would be it. And I also want to say I tried another product from this line. I tried their Lucky Legs Cooling Leg Gel, and this is to cool, depuff, and refresh your feet and your legs. And I recently flew while pregnant, and I was really nervous about it. And when I landed, I never swell up. It's just not something that is a symptom for me. But when I landed, my husband noticed that my feet were really swollen. So I decided to try this cooling leg gel, and he gave me a nice little foot massage. And you apply it kind of all over your calves, anywhere below your knee. You apply it to your calves, your feet, and it has this like minty, lemony, zesty, refreshing scent to it. And it is so cooling and hydrating, and it instantly depuffed and soothed my legs. Like I felt like my feet were hurting from traveling, you know, just sitting in one spot for so long. And this product just instantly soothed my tired, achy feet and legs. And every night now, I request my husband to rub this all over my feet and legs. So I really love this one too. So I also got this really cute leather bag from Mama Mia, which I'm going to use in my hospital bag. So I'm really excited about that. It's like perfect for little toiletries and stuff that I need to organize. And inside this bag, there is a bath and shower oil, and it's a sleep easy version. So it has kind of a lavender and peppermint smell. So I really like this one. I also got a tummy rub butter, but it's the lavender peppermint scent. So if I'm feeling, you know, stressed out or exhausted, this one is really nice because it helps put you to sleep. And then also one of my favorites is a lavender pillow spray. After my long flight, I was exhausted, but I've also been battling kind of insomnia being in my last trimester. And I sprayed this all over my pillow, and I got such a good night's sleep. It's just a natural lavender pillow spray, and can't recommend enough if you're having trouble sleeping to try this one out. So the last product I want to talk about is something I've talked about in a couple of videos already. It is Egyptian Magic. It is my miracle skincare product that I've been using for years. You can't tell, but mine's really greasy because I usually put it all over my skin and then I close the jar. But this Egyptian Magic is all natural. All it is olive oil, beeswax, honey, bee pollen, propolis, and royal jelly. So it's completely natural ingredients. You can get yours at Whole Foods. I usually get mine at Amazon because I don't feel like driving to Whole Foods. But this is a product I've been using for years. I trust it. It's natural. And I used to sleep with this on my face whenever I was having really dry skin. And now, my whole pregnancy so far, I've also used it all over my boobs, my belly, my thighs, anywhere you can get stretch marks. So I use this one at night. So during the day, I use the tummy rub butter, and then at night, I use the Egyptian Magic. And I feel like this combination together is just so powerful and so far so good. No stretch marks. My skin is stretching. My belly is getting huge. But, you know, so far, I feel like these products have really kept my skin hydrated and like with the elasticity. And I feel like it's really, really making a difference. All of these products that I talk about in this video are things that I actually use and things that really work for me. So I hope you get a chance to try them out and find what works for you. It took me up until my third trimester to really kind of find a combination that worked. So I'm hoping that if you found this video, you can start trying these things out, and hopefully you'll find your skincare routine for pregnancy earlier than I did. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more pregnancy updates. I'll see you next time.